All right. I'm coming at you guys. We're about to have a meal, so we're gonna do a mukbang. We have our food is from Bears
A
Smokehouse.
napkin, if you need a napkin, you need some butter for your
Butter. What? Make it better.
Butter.
What they say? Oh dang, Canandera. What you say? Butter. Make it something. Right, we got Bears Smokehouse. Gonna do our little mukbang. I had Bears, but I had it like once, and it was like a few years ago.
She always trying to give me something.
9 times out of 10, I think I had chicken too. So I have some wings. They're like dry rub something with the TX pepper.
You should like that macaroni and cheese. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna just dip it. It didn't come on it. Got some cornbread. What is that big?
Oh my god. It's called a beer attack.
Bear attack. Let me see. Maybe I'll put the camera straight. See. That's the beer attack. What you got over there?
Come on, stop.
All right,
You got
she's
mac
nervous.
and cheese and
Mac
what?
and cheese and macaroni and cheese. Oops.
With butter and some bread.
Butter and some bread.
Cornbread.
You got your foot all up in it. Say hi there, Adlin's toes. Okay, we didn't even say flats, none of that. I guess you could say that. They gave me all drum. So I'm gonna have to just indulge.
And just bite off the like the bones of the surface.
It's good. Better than the normal.
Butterfly rice in a rock, I'm gonna kana.
Oh, that's whatever.
We're doing a video right here. You're doing something.
You know
Okay,
what?
it's good. I won't say that.
It's good.
It's not like
This is
soggy.
butterful.
I think it's the whatever dry rub and smoke. But it's not even like soggy. Thank God.
This is
So it's good.
Yeah.
This is
And the Texas
fabulous.
pepper. And it's like a barbecue.
Oh my god, where's
Not
mine?
spicy. Oh, right there.
Oh,
Tasty.
let's see this Casey about.
That is a big square.
Yeah, so you should be like, full like a dynamite.
It's like
That's a big square. Yeah.
that's
Very
like a
full and
large
stuff.
square, and
It's
it's
a sweet
very
barbecue.
Sweet barbecue.
and it's very
barbecue, lemon rice, and beef.
gentle.
What?
My toes is dead in the camera.
Told it in camera. How's that?
I just played with my
That is a
foot.
big situation going on. What is it?
I'm gonna choke.
This is good.
Mac and cheese.
Good.
It is cornbread, macaroni and cheese, and chicken.
So the
This
cornbread's at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
The mac and cheese and then that.
Yeah. You want a bite, girl? And it's chicken.
I kind of do, but I feel
Boys
like that's,
piled up.
I feel like that's the type of situation that I'm probably having on the toilet.
This tastes
You
really
ain't nothing
good.
wrong with a bite. And that's all I was gonna give you.
This is good.
Alright, yeah, I need a bite. Let me chew this.
Man, get out of
Is
here.
this better for the bed?
It's
Yeah.
better for the bread, but I don't think you need that. That's
Nah.
for that.
Yeah, 'cause I
I
don't
don't know the butter.
the hormones.
This is good.
Yeah, let me get that bite before I bite this again. I don't think I want the meat though. I gotta get the meat.
Hear a thing
No,
because I got
I don't even know why you want to even taste
What
it.
kind of meat is that anyway?
It's chicken.
That's chicken? Oh.
Yes.
That looks
Yeah,
like
lots of cornbread and
barbecue.
crust. I saw that fall.
It looks like honey barbecue chicken.
Big bite.
Yours look like steak, but
No. I don't know what it's on.
It's only a little bit spicy.
Alright, see.
1, 2, 3.
how's it?
Mm.
Tingly?
Oh my God.
You love
It's
it?
like a big mouthful.
Right?
Oh, jeez.
I don't think I've
Let's
had this
put
much
on
stuff in
dessert.
my mouth at once.
Put down the chicken for a second. You put down the chicken. Very good mouthful.
It's like,
I love you, family. I hope you guys
I'm
enjoy
so
the eats.
yeah, good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Shout out to Uber Eats.
No DoorDash, baby.
Oh yeah, DoorDash. This is no promo. But maybe one day I'll eat the food and promo.
You just grabbed me.
I didn't even try to tell you.
Yes, you did. You did. You just went.
Kids.
Hey.
No,
Stop. It's mommy.
macaroni and cheese on your legs. You like to be nasty.
Not nasty.
Sorry, guys. Probably recording.
Poking me with the.
I'm gonna sleep like a ham hot tonight. This is like beautiful.
Let me just sleep close to you.
Got my phone charger, get in my bed,
Yeah, just playing.
give me a nice glass of water, get in my bed. I don't need no phone. Leave the phone about his business tonight. And then indulge into my bed.
Wait, one more piece of chicken. Oh,
We was watching some real
She also
stop,
said
shut
that.
that's
She
right.
said
You're from
bad 3
Trinidad.
times.
You're like, you don't hear that? I was like, yeah. They was going,
She was mad as hell. Oh, he was like, I'm going back home.
Mm.
That's Puna.
Puda, puda. Yeah. It's funny, man. But yeah, you guys ready for the holidays? Did you start
Happy
your,
New Year. Happy
you guys start your Christmas shopping yet?
Year.
Oh,
Anybody started their
Me.
Christmas shopping?
I
tomorrow.
haven't.
You start yours tomorrow? Oh, okay.
You got me?
Yeah.
Alright, she started hers tomorrow.
Period. All right.
What about you?
I got 2 and 2.
I gotta, you know, get it together. I should say.
I know it's only like
This year I
the
haven't been
beginning.
quite
I
a
know,
struggle. I'm not lying.
I know it's
But
just like
it
the
is what it is.
beginning of December. I know it's just the
Because of
beginning.
COVID,
I know it's just
Right.
got us all messed up in the game because.
I got
But
mine
we know
done.
you gotta be blessed
Right.
that we're here.
I know it's just like the beginning of
Maintaining.
December, but I'm gonna
But it's
start
serious,
my
though.
Christmas shopping early.
You gonna start it early?
And I know it's some kids across the nation and their parents trying to make the best of it.
Facts.
I wish I could give away more. Like, honestly.
One day we're gonna be able to.
Like,
Yeah, I don't even know if I can get to my cornbread yet. I'm glad I ain't started
that
with
is
cornbread.
gonna make you go to sleep.
Well,
That cornbread is hitting.
It
It's
is.
gonna make you go to sleep, babe.
I'm just looking at it. I'm like, damn. I want to stretch my stomach a little bit more.
It's gonna make you
Ooh,
sleep.
Lord.
Even if you bite just to bite, it'll be good.
You know, because I'm gonna be thinking about it in my
Okay,
sleep.
Taste
this
buds,
is
right? I be
good.
doing shit like that. That shit hit when you do shit like that. But my thing is, imagine how much cornbread they had at the bottom of this.
Yeah.
This is
This right here is like a cornbread cake.
Cornbread cake.
It's not even bread.
this gonna be
Like,
the
it
first
looks-
bread out of the whole week she's gonna save to the side because she's
Right.
gonna
Man, this red do look good.
Like-
I'm
just
gonna
eat
have to
mine. Here, it's just a little, okay.
Like
What about the
this
cornbread?
is like
Okay,
Here.
let me eat a bite. I want a
This
bite.
is a bag, a little one. That's the cornbread.
See? If I eat my cornbread, it's a wrap.
You like, I don't
I'm
know.
gonna be able to do anything tomorrow.
not even a thing.
No. But,
They
alright,
know,
guys.
they know what they was doing. Okay, peace out.
Yeah, we gonna head out of here. Cause we'll start
Because we
cracking the
gonna-
jokes and do it.
We gonna forget y'all. Yeah.
It's gonna be rolling on. 24 minutes.
You
Like,
know how they be saying how they eat this chicken?
what color people eat this chicken? Come on, get out of here. This is how I eat it. If it was the flats, it's a wrap. Like,
Excuse me.
I'm
Did you
drooling.
see that? Excuse me. Did you
You know
see
what?
that?
We're done
That's the
here.
meme.
all right, bye. Stay tuned for day 4. The Newlyweds TV Vlogmas. Peace.